Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. जय माँ। माँ के आश्रम में ये चटनी बहुत बनती है। This chutney, it's a tomato chutney which is khatta meetha, sweet and sour, and it is yummy. You know, you can have it with roti. Sorry, I'm saying Gujarati. You can have it with roti, paratha. You can have it with puri. You can have it with rice also. You can mix it and have it. You can have it with bhakri, whatever, you know. It's a lovely tomato chutney. So I'm making that today. Have a look. They always say when I go to the ashram ke tomato ki chutney banai, and I would say yummy. Sometimes, you know, they put pineapple in this, which is also yummy. Oh, the gas was on. Put your pan. Oil. Again, measurements are all there. About 2 tablespoons of oil I'm taking. It's heated already. So I will put Kashmiri dry chillies, tej patta. This is Panch phoron, a mixture of 5 different condiments, spices. It's rye, mustard, jeera, fennel, methi, and kalonji. These are the 5 things that go into this. So I've taken 1 tablespoon of this masala, you know, the Panch phoron. Sauté and add for color 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. It's not spicy, it's for color. If you don't have this, you can put little food color if you want, but this is better. Once you saute it nicely, then you add, I've taken 4 to 5 tomatoes. You add that. Chop it very finely and add. Mix. Mix it nicely. Now what you have to do is cover the pan with the lid or let it cook till the tomatoes soften nicely. एकदम soft हो जाना चाहिए. I will just stir it a little bit, mix it nicely, and then cover it with the lid. Now we take the lid. The flame is on slow now, and let it cook. And once it softens, then I'll come back. Let's check. ये हो गया है. I'm just mashing it a little bit like this. Now you have to put 1 tablespoon of sugar because it's khatta meetha, and 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Good. This is 2 tablespoons. And mix. Till the jaggery melts. Now we cover it for a little bit, and then again when it completely softens, the jaggery and all, I'll come back. Check. I think this is done. It's melted. So now we put in salt. And put in tamarind paste, which I have made in the house. as much as you want. That is up to you, because it's sour. So you know, as sour as you want, you add that. Again mix. And the chutney is kind of done. Let the tamarind cook a little bit, then I'll come back. This is ready. Now when you are serving, you remove the bay leaf, tej patta. And serve. It's delicious. Khatta, meetha. No, it's not tikha at all. This chutney is done a lot in the ashram. They put pineapple also in this. That also tastes very good. You know, big chunks of pineapple. See. Nice? It's yummy. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Vunaktu Saviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma. Sabko Jai Ma. Please try. Let me know.